All right, we got a pretty simple task here today, man. Had one of our clients, or a new client, he was a referral from one of our clients, had a small little mishap over the weekend and talked to her friend about it, and she decided to refer her to us, and that's why we're here. Check it out. All right, let me show y'all this. I thought that was pretty cool. Show y'all what's going on here. You can see some remnant of it here, but it gets worse as you get up, when you get closer. Had a small little grease fire here. So I'm primarily going to take care of this section right here. All of this here. Now I don't know what the deck is going to look like underneath all the extinguisher powder and the grease, but it should clean up pretty good. Guess I'll hit all the cooktop as well. But that's it, man. Pretty simple job, straightforward work nonetheless. We'll get to it. I've already got my mix, my degreaser already pre-mixed in this pump-up sprayer. It's such a small job, I don't need to downstream it. So I'm gonna wait on her to get here. She said she'll be here by 10 or so. We'll wait for her to get here and then we'll get started. All right, she just pulled up. Let's see how this goes. Always some blew the daggone O-ring out. So let's get one put back in so we can keep this party started. Get this party rolling. Uh-oh, hold tight, don't go nowhere. Hold now. Stay right there. I like this this pick because it's got a little hook on it. Look, it's kind of curved. You can see it has that little curl on it.